Lake Victoria is the largest freshwater lake in Africa and the second in the world after Lake Superior in USA. It is found in East Africa on the borders of Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya. Tanzania has the largest portion of the lake at 49%, Uganda at 45%, and Kenya has the remaining 6%. The lake was formed about 400,000 years ago through downwarping. It is approximately 59,947 square kilometers and has an average depth of 40 meters, with the deepest parts being about 80 meters. The lake is known by many local names such as Namlolwe in Haroo, Nalubale in Luganda, Nyanza in Kinyarwanda, and Ukerewe. However, it was renamed after Queen Victoria by British explorer John Hanning's Peak in 1858. Rain is the main source of water for the lake. It accounts for 80% and rivers account for the rest. The largest river that flows into the lake is River Kagera in Uganda, though it starts from Burundi. The only outflow is River Nile on the northern shore of the lake near Jinja Town in Uganda. This makes the lake to be the main source of water for River Nile, which happens to be the longest river in the world. There are many other rivers that drain into the lake. The main rivers from Tanzania are Simiyu, Isanga, Magogo, Ruana, Mori, and Grumeti. From Kenya, they are Sio, Nzoia, Yala, Nyando, Awach, Kisian, Sondu Miriu, Kuja, and Mara. From Uganda, it's River Katonga. From Rwanda, it's River Nyabarongo. And from Burundi, it's River Kagera and Ruvuvu. The lake and its source rivers form the Lake Victoria Basin. The basin measures about 184,200 square kilometers. It is spread across 5 countries, which are Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. There are many islands in the lake. The main islands in Tanzania are Ukerewe, Ukara, Rubondo, Maisome, Bumbiri, Kome, Komasi, Ghana, Ikuza, and Nazinga. In Uganda, they are Bugala, Bukasa, Bukeke, Kome, Damba, Buvuma, Sigulu, and Lolui Islands. In Kenya, they are Mfangano, Rusinga, Ndere, Kimamboni, Takawiri, Kiwa, Koyamo, Pyramid, and Mageta Islands, among others. Some of these islands are designated as national parks and reserves. These are Rubondo National Park and Maisome Forest Reserve in Tanzania, and Ndere Island National Park in Kenya. The lake is host to many types of animals, fish, plants, and algae. The major animals found in the lake are hippopotamus, crocodiles, otters, turtles, marsh mongoose, reedbucks, sitatunga, waterbucks, frogs, and water snakes. The main species of fish are tilapia, Nile perch, catfish, cichlid, killifish, lungfish, elephant fish, spiny eel, and Lake Victoria sardine, also known as dagaa, mukene, or omena. The crustaceans include freshwater crabs and shrimps, and the mollusks are the freshwater snails. The major plants are papyrus and water hyacinth. The water hyacinth is an invasive species that has been rapidly growing in the lake due to increased pollution that is caused by raw sewage, agricultural and industrial runoff that has increased nutrient levels in the water. The lake is an economic hub to the communities around. It is a source of water for domestic and commercial use, fishing, inland water transport, and tourism. The major towns and inland ports are Musoma, Mwanza, and Bukoba in Tanzania, Entebbe, Kampala's Port Bell and Jinja in Uganda, Kisumu and Homa Bay in Kenya.